Please welcome. Happy Father's Day. Please welcome the graduate and the parent. Sa Chloe, tangkad, sagad.
Para tayong mga ano nito, mga yaya.
Do you want to sing a cappella or you want to have a dictum in order as to ameliorate the song? Because it's a question of our body really increasing in order you to understand those things.
Sige.
You want a cappella for who am I?
Huh?
Oh, yes. Kali sa ulit English. Ha, gapon.
Simulan.
Do you want to sing who am I?
Ano?
No,
Palagay ko pag Tagalog kay maglisod magyapon ta.
gusto ka magkantag ka ng who am I?
Teka ta kuya.
O, sige, pa-cappella na. Palakpakan natin siya.
Who am I? That the Lord of all the earth would care to know my name, would care to feel my hurt. Who am I? That the bright and morning star would choose to light the way for my ever-wandering heart. Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am flower quickly fading, till the day is gone tomorrow. A wave tossed in the ocean, a vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling. Lord, you catch me when I'm falling. For you told me who I am. I am yours.
Hoy, ano yan? Sige, uy. Maraming palakpakan natin siya. Napakaganda ng boses.
Amazing.
Yan, ah.
Ito na sa akin. Amazing.
Ay, matusok ko kang mabuslot siya.
Huwag mo siyang tuhugin.
Bakit?
Kasi pag, di ba, pag ang saging natuhog,
Oh,
pananakyo.
oh,
Pag ang pork natuhog, barbecue.
oh.
Pag ikaw natuhog, carousel.